Welcome to my channel, Magbuhay Channel. I am your host, no other than Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, vlogger Bing Basilio Rindon. Right this moment, I am here in Lang Public Market, the Lang Super Mega Public Market. As you can see, this is really our new Mega Public Market. My back, I think that is the CR. We have so many CR. But for this morning, I would like to feature to you the fruit stand of Lang Public Mega Market. So first here is no other than my once a learner, Marian Pedroso Nicors fruit stand. Yan, up to there, Pedroso also. And there, Bitki. Hi, Inday. Just wave your hand and I will interview later. So what are available? Let me start here. Okay, look at this. They have the Fuji apple. 3, 4, 50, 10. And what else? Okay, you have a glimpse of the available items. This one, mangoes, grapes, and my favorite, we have the dragon fruit. No, this is my favorite. Oh, and pineapple, everything there. And this one, grapes. Okay, have a glimpse there. And here, Inday, the Boko Bitki. Oh yeah. So, how is your business?
It's good.
Good. Okay. How many years ka na Day? 20. Okay, but you're getting beautiful, younger every day. So invite your suki now. You come.
Invited.
Go to
Tumla.
Bitki, Inday Bitki. Ano pa sa name? The Bocos Fruit Stand. Okay. Most of your children are my former learners, di ba?
Puro na professional.
Yeah. Sige. So this is it. The
Engineer
same.
Sarah Bitki.
Yeah.
Engineer.
Yeah. Please
Pasado na.
send my regards. So this is it. Yeah. Mabuhay. I am having my vlog. Ano na gani? Your name?
JL Perez.
Ha?
JL. Hi.
GL Alvarez.
One of your students before.
Like, how are you now? You are professional na.
College.
GL. Sige, please invite my viewers, GL. Invite Mabuhay Channel to watch my real.
Boy channel. We're gonna invite all the viewers. Hello everyone.
Yeah, with Ma'am
Bye,
Brenda.
Ma'am.
Let's check my selfie first, though. That's a video, but okay lang. I have to cut afterward. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, another one. We love the fruit stand with Smile GL. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, that's it. Another one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you subscribe my boy channel. And another here. That's Tata Warren. Okay, wave to the camera. Yeah, Tata Warren. So, I think they have the same items, no? What are you buying?
Oranges na.
Yeah, why? Why orange? Why? For your loved one?
Magkano?
Oh, wow. So, what's the name of the fruit stand? Normal. This is an sale? Newly, I just have the wedding. I mean, with the, ay, mabuhay, Ma'am Anacel, I'm here in your fruit stand. Like the picture, you're the pamangkin? How are you related? Your name? Okay, so,
Bye, ma'am.
mabuhay. Walang goodbye. So, this is it. The mangoes. You have only the Fuji apple. Do you have the same items? Okay, invite the viewers now. Come and go to the room.
Go to the Ramal food stand.
Yeah, and buy fruits. Your name, please.
My name is Princess Kia. Princess Kia po.
Princess Gia Drumal.
Venus po.
Venus. Hindi mo ako na picture?
Teacher, sa AP Gaglias.
Ala, what section? Nice to. COVID time?
Grade 8 Arbor.
COVID time. So, we did not meet. But, that's COVID time. But I gave you line of 9. Diba? Yeah, okay. So, my student during COVID time. Ay, a former learner, I forgot. COVID time. The other one, I think from Lexibo. What's the name? What's her name? Hindi ko siya nabutan. I forgot the name. Okay, so this is it. What are you waiting for? There are many fruits here in Lang Mega Public Market, and at this moment, the Romal fruit stand. They have the durian, mangosteen, and avocado. They have also avocado, pineapple, mangoes, grapes, oranges, no? Okay. And what are the other items? Yeah, this is live. Okay, so we don't have resources yet. Di pa ko pinautang yung nirian ng ano niya, oh. Next time may mag-utang-utang. Oh, sige. So, I will also go there with, ano yan, gundang. So, where's my, ano na? Fruits! So, this is it. I just made my one choice, just one dragon fruit and 50 pesos grapes. This is what I purchase here. And another fruit stand here. Oh, live tayo, Mabuhay Channel. Where is Gundang? Okay. Invite my viewers. Mabuhay! Come, what's on Pedroso? Okay, Pedroso's fruit stand. Okay, naiya siya. So this is it, featuring fruit stand of Lang Public Market. So what are you waiting for? Please come now in Lang. The exact location here is Imets del Pilar Street. So for now, I am your vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. But now, a full-time vlogger. I am now your vlogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Signing off, live and alive at Lang Mega Public Market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me, my Facebook account, my Reels and Media Stars, and subscribe to my Mabuhay channel. Thank you everyone for watching my YouTube Mabuhay channel and my Facebook account, my page, and also follow me, my Reels and all my account. I have already my ads. Thank you also to Timo Online Shopping and Shane Online Shopping for putting ads on many videos I have. Mabuhay, gandang buhay, mabuting tao. Signing off, vlogger Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Thank you for watching. Until my next vlog, mabuhay, good person, good life.